set to reproduce. A name not yet written, steam the night left behind. Fine print hid beneath the noise of the world, while we swore ourselves to something that later could not hold. Then a fragile light arrived, too clean for our desires and ambitions, breathing through cracks no one wanted to see. There were no words yet, but the air was already split, and silence was learning how to occupy two places. Now time divides itself into rooms with different clocks. Names travel from mouth to mouth like worn-out coins. Two shores call the same body, a river without a bridge, and a small heart learning to beat in shifts. We speak in straight lines on papers that feel nothing. They bend inward every time the door breathes. Because goodbye is never understood. It stays like dust on the tongue. Love doesn't fall, it dissolves like alcohol when it no I wanted to break the circle, to close the